Hello everyone, welcome to FLT channel. Today I'll share an online platform which I've been using since some times. I found this platform really great and useful. It is a must-have, especially if you work together with others virtually, but also for personal planning and visualization. So what is actually Miro? Miro is an online whiteboard platform. If you conduct virtual sessions like online meetings, online courses or classes where you normally need to visualize things and draw or work together with others, so Miro is a platform which supports this to be done virtually. It's a very powerful, extensive platform, so you can edit the things together, so with your remote audience. It is also very powerful writing and drawing annotating tools, so you can edit the whiteboard simultaneously, support typing and handwriting as well. So later I will show you how also to leverage the handwriting capabilities. It has powerful sticky notes, mind mapping and diagramming tools as well. And if you work with product management or project management, Miro also support Kanban board, Scrum board with ticketing assignment capabilities. Which is great. Miro is available as freemium. It means there is a free version where, from my opinion, is already very powerful. But if you're not satisfied and need more capabilities, there's also the paid versions. For educational institutions like schools or universities, for students and teachers, there is also the education plan. You can check and apply. You would get a free license for features which normally you need to pay for, and for teachers even a lifetime free license. By the way, this video is my honest personal review or tutorial, not supported by Miro or any other institution. So let's go for the platform and try it directly now. So Miro provides a lot of templates you can use. You can choose browse from here. But for now I will just close it because we just want to create a simple board section. So now we just create frame and then choose the size we want, color it white, and name it my first whiteboard. So our whiteboard is ready. Now we want to explore how to use it. So let's continue with the how to use board. If you want to use board, firstly you go to this left side. This is the tools how we add things. For example, this one is select, and then templates, and then text to type, sticky note with different variation of colors, shape, variation of shapes, and then arrow to annotate, handwriting tools, comments, frame or section, upload to upload images or files from here, from different sources, or also you can use another integration part like OneDrive, Google Drive, Dropbox, and any other things. From here you also have a lot of possibilities like mind map, chart, card, wireframe, iframe, Kanban, tables, emojis, web page captures, Google image search, also icon finder, a lot of cool things. Yeah, and for now we just want to add pictures. We try to add from Google. So we just go here from image, we search for human body parts, for example, for kids. We search for the image, and yeah, okay, I think this is good. Select. Okay, after the image is uploaded to Miro, you can move it and then resize it and then put it where you want. And then what I also want to do is to add this picture. But for this picture, I just want to have the skeleton. So I want to crop it. So you can crop directly from there. So just put it like that until the skeleton only, and then you just put your mouse, click your mouse outside the pictures, and then it's cropped. You can move anywhere. And then what you want to do now is, for example, like to annotate this picture. So what you want to do is, for example, like using this typing text, put it here like to smell. And then we also put another text to see, and also another text to taste. Okay, so we have 3 texts. What we can also do is we just put a shape and then put a text inside. So like this, you can resize, and also you can resize the font. You can move it down, and then copy this one, and then put it a girl. You can also still resize it, and then resize this one as well. This is good. And then you can group it together, basically like this, and then if you move it, everything will be moved together, also the annotation. So what you can now do is to ask your student to select where to go where. For example, like to smell, okay, they will do, okay, it goes to nose, to see, it goes to the eyes, and then to taste, it will go to the tongue. Okay, this is pretty cool because if you do arrow like this in Miro, if you move the object, the arrow will be attached as well to the object, so you don't need to worry if to move it. You can also to change the arrow line, so like that, and then if you move it, they move together. It's pretty cool actually. So the next one, what I want to show, for example, like this. If you want to do, for example, some Chinese character like pizza, for example. Okay, the nose. So we just put it like here, and then we also do the green one from here. We type it tooth, means belly. So we put it like here. And then we resize it a little bit. Okay, and then you can point it. For example, this is a nose, and this tooth is belly. And what we can also do to create box there. So just create box, and then a box, and then copy the box, so your students can write the character inside the box. So we can ask them, and then they can use these handwriting tools. So for the handwriting tools, basically we can have some settings like for the thickness, for the colors, but we let it as it is first. And then we write it down, so something like this. So pizza, okay, a nose, and then tooth, so the belly. Okay, like that. So it's actually pretty cool. And then we can also annotate, for example, like this. You want to annotate the sticky notes, like write the pinyin, pizza for the nose, and then tooth for the belly. Okay, so and if normally if you move this note, sticky note, the text won't move. But if you group together, so this trick will do. So if you move the sticky, it will move everything together, so like this. Okay, you can also rotate a little bit the text. Okay, and then yeah, basically you can ask the student to write it down there. And now what the last thing what also I want to show is doing some math. So we are doing some math here, like for example 49 plus 53. Okay, and yeah, we do addition, and then you can change the color. For example, for the answer, 9 plus 3 is okay 12. You just put the 2 here, the 1 up there, and then 1 plus 4 plus 5 is 10. So, and then you can annotate to show how it works. 9 plus 3 is 12, where okay, we just change the color a little bit, and then this 2 go to here, and then 1 go here, and then 1 this one 1 plus 4 plus 5, it will be a 10th, which go here. So this is basically an interactive visualization. Basically you can do together, either you show it to your students, or you do together with them. Okay, now I want to show you how to invite your team members. So the easiest way is here to click share and click copy invite link. Another way is you can just type here your emails, the emails of your team members. You can invite as many as you want. Send the invitations, and then just click done. So from here, just wait a little bit. Okay, we see that FLT already joined. So this is basically my second account from Miro. So I just joined from my mobile phone. You can see the cursor here. So it's also moving. So it's moving where I move the cursor from my phone. So so I will let my second account to write down. So I will write down from my mobile phone. Okay, this is actually pretty convenient. So I just write it down there. So pretty fast. Okay. Doing pretty well. Okay, down here as well. Okay, just like that. So basically, as you see, we can also do things simultaneously, like my first account doing something up there, posting post-its, and the other account from mobile phone just doing some scratch. Basically, you can do this kind of things with your peers together. Some trick if you want to do handwriting, if you find it difficult to do handwriting using mouse. So what you can do is buy a drawing pen tablet. So you can find it in e-commerce platform, just search for drawing pen tablet. So this is what I'm using. So, and or another option, if you want something cheaper, you can use your phone or tablet with your index finger, but like what I just did. But if you want something more, you can also use something like universal stylus. So something like this. This is pretty precise. You can buy it pretty affordable. So basically these are the three options you can use: drawing pen tablet, index finger, or using stylus. By the way, Miro is also available as desktop apps or mobile apps. It supports multi-platform. You can download it from here. Either you're using Mac, Windows, iOS, Android, Microsoft mobiles, you can download it from here. This is basically how it looks like in desktop apps. So I'm using Mac. So, and here you can see the board, and so basically as you see that in Miro you can do a lot of things. So from this kind of handwriting things like this, or to annotate things for something what we import, like image combined with annotation, doing some brainstorming like this, reverse brainstorming, doing OKR, like doing a roadmap, even with assignment, something like this, so which you can do with a card. So if you see here, there is also a cards section. You can see about the assignment, and then you can also do something like this, even something very complex, or mind mapping like this. So a lot of things you can do, a lot of features. You can also navigate using your map here, and then zoom in, zoom out, or using presentation mode, where you can just switch from one slide to another slide so easily, something like that. Or you can also do commenting, chatting directly from here. You can also do screenshotting directly from Miro, and some paid features here. And if you deleted something and then you want to restore, you can also go to activity to restore things, and also to see what happened inside, or what happened inside the history, what happened in the board. So I think that's it for today. So let's just go back. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Share your feedback and experience in the comment section below. And if you want me to create other videos, please share your ideas in the comment section below. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you will get notified from my videos. So again, this is Fabian. Thanks for watching FLT channel.